In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in Persian. Whether you want to translate the ChatGPT interface into Persian or have a conversation with ChatGPT in Persian, I'll walk you through everything you need to know to make it happen. It's important to mention that ChatGPT is only officially available in English. As you can see, there's no language settings menu on the left-hand side to change the language. But don't worry, I found an easy workaround. For this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome on a Windows PC. If you're on a different browser, operating system, or device, the steps might be slightly different. But I recommend using Google Chrome, as the method I'm going to show you works best with it. Once you're in ChatGPT on Google Chrome, right-click anywhere on the page and select Translate. In my case, it's set to English, but to change it to Persian, simply click on the three dots. Choose Select Another Language, and scroll down to find Persian in the list. Click on Persian, then hit Translate. Within moments, the entire page will be translated into Persian. When it comes to conversing with ChatGPT in Persian, you don't need to do anything special. Just type or speak to ChatGPT in Persian, and it will automatically detect the language and respond in Persian. When it comes to conversing with ChatGPT in Persian, you don't need to do anything special. Just type or speak to ChatGPT in Persian, and it will automatically detect the language and respond in Persian. To test it out, I've copied a Persian phrase asking, "How are you?" Let's see how ChatGPT responds. If you get an error, or if it takes a while to reply, simply refresh the page and try again. In just a few moments, ChatGPT will respond in Persian. And that's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tips. See you in the next one.